obviously also guys, today I'm going to be doing a series, which is going to be the Teraria series. Yay! So yeah, let's just go and to the party then. Let's go to green. Yeah, we're not, green. Okay, we're not. And we are team green today. So if you want to join me, go and join team red. So yeah, we're gonna be mining pretty much everything to make a little bit of more space on the house because there's not a lot of space. I actually started doing this world and I just said, why not do a series of Teraria? And I did. So they're gonna be small episodes, but they're pretty enjoyable too. You got to place something in here. I just need to say that we need to place something in here so they can't get in, because yeah, mobs can't get in. Yeah, fortunately, mobs can't get in. So yeah, I did this wall pretty big, just for the mobs to just not do what they do, like poop. And no, just kidding, they don't poop on here. So yeah, let's just go and mine this and enter this way, and then put this. That. Okay, and then we are gonna put that one, that in that, and then we're gonna do this, and this. Okay, there we go. We are gonna want to put this in here, and then we are just gonna want to place a torch. Yeah, we got a lot of torches actually. We're just gonna place one in here, one in here. I think we can. Yeah, there we go. Oh, I broke the anvil. Oh, I broke the anvil. I just put it in. Why not? It's pretty easy to grab an anvil. So yeah, let's just put it in there, and we just go ahead and keep mining because where's my pickaxe? It is, yeah, the update is so massive, this one at Teraria. You can go and download Teraria, guys. I'm actually playing on the Android Teraria. So yeah, let's go and mine all of this, because we need more space. More space than that, yeah. So yeah, let's go and mine all of this. And we got a big room to be in there, so yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool. We're gonna have a big room. Wow, that's pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, we can go and do a secret path. So yeah, I think I'm gonna be feeling up all this. That looks so weird. So that is, take that out and put it in here. Yeah, like that. And then we're gonna have this room pretty weird in here. And yeah, it's pretty weird. What happened now? I think it's a glitch. Yeah, it doesn't matter. We can just enter here. And we have this secret room, which is gold and a lot of stuff. And we got a lot of torches here. We could go this way for more pressuring, but I'm not gonna do that in this episode. I'm sorry. Just looking forward to this, mining all of the room, and yeah, doing a lot of stuff, improvements today. This episode. So yeah, let's go mine all of this, because it's gonna be a big room. It's actually gonna look pretty cool. So yeah, let's go this, and let's make wooden walls. Yeah, that will look pretty cool. The room, let's go collect them. I am a soul collector, the boy in the lumber inch. Let's go this way, and I'm pretty OP, guys. I'm always OP, guys. I got a silver helmet, and I got that, so yeah, goals. So yeah, let's go. I know I'm not that. Yeah, let's go and kill the guardian. So, yeah, it's pretty difficult. Oh, I just have a healing potion. Let's go have a night vision one. Oh, what's that? Oh, yeah, I forgot. Yeah, let's go this way. And this. No! I almost fell in there. If I fell in there, I will be so mad. Because I don't like falling in there. Just not a lot of stuff. More that we can get. Just gonna be bad. Because, yeah, let's go and go this exit and then go this way. Old man. Okay, let's go. Okay, no. Yeah, it's pretty OP. So yeah, let's go and kill it. Wow, he's pretty tough. Wow. So yeah, let's go in here. And oh my god, he's so OP. Wow, I'm gonna die already? Wow. Wait, is this the old man? Wow, I already died? Are you kidding me? I already died? Did I already die? Oh, I killed that. Yeah, I freed him from the curse. Then I died, so. Yeah, we were not there for that. I just want some trees, so yeah, let's just continue down. Yeah, let's forget what happened in there. Cut some trees. Get some acorns too. There we go, and we have some trees. Was that a bat? Is that really a bat? And where did he come? Oh, 2 demon eyes. Wow. Wait, a zombie? What's that, a zombie? Oh my god, there's a zombie. How many demon eyes? Demon eye. Oh, there's a lot of them. How did he even got here? Wow, how did he even got here? Wow, that's intense. Is that even a demon eye or that's a bird? Yeah, I don't care. So, let's go and craft ourselves a wall. Because, yeah, we can. Craft and the walls. Let's just make how many of we can. Then I like the sound. Look at it. Wow, that's a lot. Yeah, we got, how many did we got? Okay, we got 12. We got 140. That should do it. Or it might not, because the room's pretty big. Get out of the way, Bradley. Let's go this way, and let's start building. So yeah, why can't I do that? Why can't I do that? Why can't I do that? Does it have dirt walls? Really? Yeah, it has dirt walls. Just dirt walls? Just dirt walls? Yeah, those definitely are dirt walls. That's disgusting. Dirt walls. Whoa. That's really disgusting. Who's gonna want dirt walls? I mean, I'm put on the description, guys. If you want dirt walls, put it in the description. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty weird to have dirt walls. But they have them on Teraria, so we can't complain. So we have them, and yeah, they have them. That's right. Yeah, it's pretty weird. Dirt walls, but yeah, that's what we got. So fill that up. Yeah. Fill this. Why can't? Oh, there we go. Okay, let's go up and fill this up because we can. And yay! Actually, yeah, that looks pretty cool. Oh, that looks awesome. Welcome to my new home. Okay, let's go this way. See if there's more of them. So yeah, there's a line there. looks epic. Yeah, it really does look epic. Yeah, look, that looks cool. Does that really have walls on it? Are you kidding me? I can't do the room. I was so impressed that I was gonna have that room, but turns out I can't. I'm so mad. So yeah, this is gonna be the end of the video. If you didn't, please just subscribe and join the Minion Rebellion for daily Minecraft gameplay and vlog videos. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and see you next time. Bye. No, my train is good. Bye.